Hello everyone, this is Adesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Only Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about how to find minors and cofactors of a given matrix. So if you are willing to learn this topic, then this video is for you. So let's begin without wasting our time. So first we'll find minors and cofactors of 2 by 2 matrix. So let's begin. So they have given one matrix A which is 1, 2, 3 and 4. As you know that there are 2 rows and 2 columns, hence it is 2 by 2 matrix. So order of this matrix is 2 by 2. So as we know that we write the elements of this matrix as A11, A12, A21 and A22. Hence we can write this as A11 is equal to 1. After that A12 is equal to 2. A21 is equal to 3 and A22 is equal to 4. Okay, now let us denote matrix of minors as M. So we can write M is equal to M11, M12, M21 and M22. Now we'll directly see how to find this minors. So first we'll find M11. So to find M11, what we do? So it is at this position, right? 1 and 1. So first row, first column. So we'll neglect this row and this column. So this row and this column is neglected. What is left is 4. So M11 is 4 in this case. Similarly for M12. So for M12, it is at this position, okay? So what we'll do? We'll neglect this row and this column. What is left is 3. So M12 is 3. Next, M21. So M21 is this position. So we'll neglect this row and this column. So this and this is neglected. What is left is 2. And our last element is M22. So 22 is at this position. So neglect this row and this column. What is left is 1. So we can say matrix of minors. It is equal to this, that is 4, M12 is 3, then 2 and 1. So these are minors of given elements. Okay. Next we'll see how to find cofactors. Now we have one simple trick to find cofactors. You just have to remember signs. Okay. So let us call cofactor matrix as C11, C12, C21 and C22. We just have to change sign of this, then we'll directly get cofactor matrix. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 means even, and 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 means odd. So what we'll do, at even position we do not change any sign, so it is positive. So 1 1 is plus minus, 2 1 means odd number, 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So it is minus, and 2 plus 2 is 4, that is even number, so plus. So what we'll do is, we'll write minor matrix as it is and we'll just change the sign, then we'll get cofactor matrix. So we can write C is equal to this matrix as it is, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So we have to change the sign. So plus will be as it is, here it is minus, so it will be minus. Similarly this is minus and this is plus, that is as it is. So directly you can get matrix of cofactors. Okay, so you have another formula to remember minors and cofactors, but this is very short and simple trick which will be remembered directly. Okay, so our next matrix is as follows. So they have given matrix B is 1 minus 4 minus 7 and 9. So if you will compare with this, what you will get is A11 is 1, A12 is minus 4, this is minus 7 and A22 is 9. Now we'll directly find the minors in this case. So for M11, what we'll do is this and this. So what is left is 9. For M12, so for M12, what we'll do is, so this is M12, this and this we have to neglect. What is left is minus 7. For M21, that is this position, this row and this column. So what is left is minus 4, and for M22 we'll neglect this and this, so what is left is 1. So we can directly write matrix of minors. Okay, so in this place we can write the values. So our M11 is 9, M12 is minus 7, M21 is minus 4, and M22 is 1. Now you know that how to write cofactor matrix. You just have to change signs of this position and this position, that is odd. Okay, so we can write given minor matrix as it is. So it is 9, minus 7, minus 4 and 1. So 9 will be as it is. So minus 7, it will get converted to plus, because minus minus is plus. Then this position, this will also become plus, and this one as it is. So this is your matrix of cofactors. Okay, now let us see one 3 by 3 matrix.